Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I want to talk about this really cool little hook that I found out on Amazon. How this came about was we had a tenant that would like to hang things off the side of the house, and we really don't want to screw any screws into it or nail any clips or something like that into there. So this here is designed so you just clip it up underneath the siding, you pull it down, and it's really snug. So we went ahead and did some tests around here first. We hung a relatively heavy cross. Then we hung like a candle holder. Then we put two side by side and hung a shelf and put some of my toy trucks up there, and no problems at all. I went ahead and decided to see just how much it would hold without destroying the siding. I popped it in and I hung some weights off there, about 20 pounds worth of weights, and no problems whatsoever. And this is in cold weather as well. So this is a really nice little device if you don't want to destroy the siding on the side of your building. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope this will help you, and stay tuned for the next one.